They are not directly in the office of the President itself. But ganun ang sitwasyon. Again, it's a question that I'm sure will aid us in our legislation. Because, hindi po ba, naka-ear lang kayo eh. Kung tama itong pinisinta sa atin, ano? And then also on page 12, General Katapa, levels of planning coordination. President, diretso na agad, EHQ, sa strategic, NHQ, PNP. Nothing here is SND or SILG. Ganito po ba talaga?
Madam Chair, Your Honor, you see the President occupies two hats. He is the President as a civilian authority and also is the Commander-in-Chief of all the armed forces. In this particular case, this is a military chain of command. And therefore, the Secretary of National Defense is not a military man. He is an alter ego of the President. He advises and he can give orders to us simply because he was directed by the President. On the next chart, there's the levels of planning coordination. You'll see that, again, by virtue of Section 18, Article 7, Executive Department of the Constitution, the President is the Commander-in-Chief of all the armed forces or armed services. And to say it includes the PNP. Although the PNP have a different setup wherein the NAPOLCOM chair is also the SILG. But the same manner, we believe that the PNP is organized, its line of command is almost just like the armed forces of the Philippines, Your Honor.